In this video, we will learn about how to send recursive email to users based on a field value. Okay, so for this thing, you required to SharePoint and a Power Automate. So we will start first with creating a list, blank list in SharePoint, recursive email testing. Okay, create recursive email testing. I am in HR site. We will go to list setting, and then remove the title from required. We do not want title required to be required here. Okay, now we'll start with the flow. So create new flow, automated cloud flow. When an item is created, we will trigger that. Okay, when an item is created, site HR main menu, list name, recursive email testing. Okay, list name. Then we will set initialize a variable. We will give a boolean value to be false. Okay, default false. First it will be false, then we will set it to true based on condition. Now we will use a do until loop. Now we will use a do until loop. Okay, click on do until. What this loop says, do until loop, it's if this value is equal to this value, then it will get, the loop breaks out. Okay, okay, simple as it looks. So if the boolean value is true, for now it's false. If it is true, then breakout. Edit in advance, provide. Change limit, count 60 for 60 time, loop it. Timeout 1 hour. So we will go with the default setting in this video. Start and wait for an approval. Start and wait for an approval. Go with the custom one. Custom, wait for one response. Okay, whatever you provide here, testing, it will give a submit button only. Okay, it will give a submit button. We do not want to take any approval from the user. We just have to check that. Okay, so we have created a list but not a column. So first we will create choice column of user choice, and we will go with choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. Otherwise we will simplify it with yes, no, not required. Okay, save user choice. So recursive email, SIVE, email testing with automate. User, I will a dummy user, user 1. Okay, and detail, user should select choice yes for breaking out of the loop. Okay, item link, in item link, the item we will provide here, uh, add a dummy item, item choice to yes, no whatever. Click on edit, copy link, copy, okay, paste to a new window. It will provide. Now if you watch the link, it is look very complex, but now if you open that same link on a new window, it will simplify that link. Okay, so just it's for now it's a display form. We will change it to edit form. Okay, edit form for the user to directly select the values. Okay, edit form, copy, paste. ID we will provide from when an item is created. ID. Okay, and item description, testing item. You will see that what we will get from this item in description. Okay, if we go to the start and wait for an approval setting, the default one is P1 day. I will open my notepad. You can provide these things to the duration in duration. So every 1 minute we have to send an email to user if it's not completed a task. So it's P PT1M. It will be provided in description. Okay, don't worry about it. Done. Then I will add a update item because we want updated values from the user. We do not want the values which have what are created when item is created. We want updated value from user. Okay, and now we will add a if condition. uh, don't try anything, it will provide first condition. So if the user choice value is yes, then set we will use a now we will use a set variable, and we will set the boolean value to true. Okay, otherwise copy to my clipboard, set variable. Okay, I'm not providing the set variable. Set variable, the boolean value to set that boolean value to false. Okay, one more thing, if after 1 minute if the user didn't provide any response, this will give an error. Start and wait for an approval. So in the update item, we will configure run after to has timed out. If the start and wait for an approval has timed out, then also this update item will work, and the logic goes on. Okay, so we will save this and we will now test by creating an item to the list. Logic to true, everything is set properly. Okay, now we'll create an item and check it is running properly or not. New item, for default we select not required. Okay, now we will check the flow. The flow takes approx 20 seconds to start. Approx 20 seconds. So first we will wait for 20 seconds. If I load this, it will not run. Wait for 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20 seconds has completed. And if I click this, checking when an item is created, it's taking so much time. Yeah, it started. Okay, it has taken more than 35 seconds. Okay, so the flow has started and the email has arrived. recursive email testing with automate. User should select yes for breaking out of the do until loop. Testing item description. Now you get what we are getting here. It's a hyperlink. If we click that, the second item, new item, what we have created, if I saved it as it is, I will cheat. Okay, I will try to cheat and provide a false acknowledgement that I have updated it to yes. Then what it will do, it will send me an email one more time. How many times? 60 times, because it was 60. If I provide a false acknowledgement, then it will loop to 60 false emails. 60 time it will send me email. Okay, now what I will do for testing purpose, I will send it set it to no, save that, and then submit the acknowledgement. What it will do, it will send me once again, look, 1 2 3 4. Will click here. Oh yeah, here's my email. So if you look, the flow is running. So item link description, I will click that and I will set it to yes, save, and then provide my acknowledgement that yeah, I have updated it to yes. So if you look that now, the flow has completed successfully and you have learned how to send recursive email to user based on a value. So you can do with it anything, any notification values you are sending. It's only possible with start and wait for an approval. If you try to send email notifications, it will not be possible. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.